Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how it's the fourth week after 10 days using the device, and how is my hair growing on my hands, on my legs, and on my armpits. I'm sorry for that. I am so excited, and I'm sorry for my delay for this review, because in my legs I see amazing results. In my hands also, let me show you now. As you can see, I have some spots that the hair is growing faster, longer, but they are soft, and some spots that I see only the roots. I think next week we will have better results for that. Here also you can see how it looks like. On the other hand, here but from this side you can't even see hair. I think it's amazing. The pips, how they are looking right now after 10 days using the device. How they are here, I feel them soft, but they are less than the previous time. On the other hand, how it looks like. And now let me show you my legs. You can see one here, a little bit here. From that side, here I have a little bit more. And what do you think, guys? How it looks like? This is 10 days after. And then my knee. And now I will show you how my legs was after 5 days that I used the device, because I have some videos. I will show you how it was. So I just shaved my hands, as you can see. I shaved my legs, my underarms, and now we will use the device. Let's start. I use the device at the highest level. And now let's use the device here. And that's it. Now how it looks like after. Up. That's it, guys. Bye.